Have you ever wondered why some people have perfectly healthy teeth and fresh breath without spending a fortune on dental? The secret may not be brushing harder, but taking care of something hidden deep inside your mouth. The microbiome, that S, where ProDentim comes in. A revolutionary formula designed to restore the balance of good bacteria in your gums and teeth. Forget about painful dental visits, endless gum treatments, or temporary solutions. ProDentim is here to change the way you think about oral health, giving you natural freshness, strong gums, and a confident smile. Imagine waking up in the morning without that unpleasant taste in your mouth. No more hiding your smile because of gum sensitivity. And finally, enjoying your favorite foods without worrying about discomfort. ProDentim is a 100% not-to-dal formula, combining powerful probiotics and plant-based nutrients that work from the inside out. While regular toothpaste and mouthwash only mask problems on the surface, ProDentim goes straight to the root cause, supporting healthy bacteria that protect and strengthen your teeth and gums every day. With this unique approach, you're not just cleaning your mouth, you're building lasting oral wellness. Now think about this. More than 90% of oral problems come from an imbalance in the mouth's microbiome. By correcting this imbalance, you don't just improve your dental health, you protect your overall well-being. Since oral health is directly linked to your heart, digestion, and immune system, ProDentim has already helped thousands of people worldwide rediscover the joy of smiling with confidence. And today, it could be your turn. Don't wait until your next painful dentist appointment. Take control of your oral health naturally, effectively, and affordably. Click the link below and discover ProDentim, your new path to a brighter, healthier smile.